gonna read rowing boat. Rowing boat. Riff and Chip and Craig were going out the river. Floppy went too. We will take use rowing boat, said Dad. Good choice, said Joy. There goes Floppy. They put the picnic thing into the boat and got in. Don't forget the coat. It could get cold. Can I row? Asked Chip. Yes, I'll show you, said Dad. You have to go, Craig, said Dad, with both hands. Let's stop here for the picnic, called Chip, but not by the stone. We can unload the boat, said Chip. Hand me the coat, said Craig. Good boy. This plum tastes very good, said Craig. Homegrown, said Dad. Don't be so annoying, Floppy, said Riff. He wants his bone, said Chip. Suddenly, there was a loud noise. What's that? Asked Riff. I can't hear his voice, said Chip. Look, it's Roy and Joe. The boy was trying to throw a rope over a big stone. Just then Joe fell into the river and the rope fell in too. Oh no, said Roy. Get hold of the rope. Too late, said Joe. The boat was floating away. Roy tried to catch the boat, but he fell in too. Suddenly, Floppy jumped into the river. He wanted to join in and help, said Chip. Look, said Craig. Floppy is going for the rope. Floppy got the rope and in his teeth. Good boy, Floppy, called Chip. The dad made the boat safe. Floppy had got a good shocking. He shook himself all over the boy. Go away, Floppy. Joe and Roy swam back to their boat. Oh no, we lost one. Can you give us a tow? Asked Roy. We can't row back. Yes. Did you enjoy the trip? Asked Joy. Yes, very much, said Will. But we got soaked. The end.